Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites and issuing the first commands. Make sure you invited Nova Bot with bot and applications. Command scopes, then grant a role with manage messages and send messages. Once done, open a test channel and either set a custom prefix or use a / command. Type a simple help command to confirm responsiveness. This first round proves connectivity and permissions. If Nova responds, you're ready to proceed to configuration. If not, recheck scopes and role order in server settings. Now configure Nova Bot's core features and automations. In the dashboard, enable moderation, auto-mod, welcome, and logging modules because those control day-to-day behavior. Then tune thresholds. For example, set anti-spam at 5 messages per 10 seconds and trigger a kick on 3 warnings. This reduces false positives while keeping order. Map channel destinations, mod log, welcome, announcements, and assign role ID for automated promotions. Once set, test each automation with low-impact actions to confirm expected outcomes before wider rollout. Finish by running end-to-end tests that cover invites, role assignment, muting, and command cooldowns so you catch edge cases. Make sure to document any custom commands, aliases, and permission exceptions you applied so staff can replicate steps. Once tests pass, lock configuration and monitor logs for 24-48 hours to catch recurring issues. If something goes wrong, a key troubleshooting step is to inspect role hierarchy and the audit log. Most denials stem from role order or missing bot permissions, not the bot code itself.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.